Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install this Whitco push lock. It's for sliding aluminium windows. So it stops the window from just being able to be lifted out of the tracks. So you can either lock it closed or you can lock it open like this as well. So that way, trying to pull it out, not coming out of those tracks. Let's get into it. This is what comes in the pack. I got a 4-pack. That's about $90 from Bunnings, or you can buy them individually for around $30 each. They come in different colours. I've just gone white. So obviously you get the lock in there. You get some keys, which these keys can be matched to most door locks. So you've only got one key, you know, for your window and your door lock, etc. You got this jig here. We've got different packers. And we've got the screws. First step is ensure your window is completely closed in the position you want it. Hold the lock up and you can see there's a gap there, which indicates we're going to need a packer behind that, like this. Grab the jig and this part needs to rest on the bottom here. I'm just going to put the packer in here to make it easier. Grab your drill with a 4mm drill bit and screw into the top. And then the middle hole. Take that away there. See the two holes there. Now using a 7mm drill bit, drill into this bottom hole. Now open the window to a maximum of 10 centimeters. Then we drill a second 7mm bolt hole. Pull this cover off. Grab your lock and packer if needed. Line it up to the holes you've just drilled. Grab the bigger screws. There's 2 of them. They're going to go in those 2 holes there. Now we fit the screw cover. And then here we've got these little things which go in here. Side body covers, and just feel there's 1, 2 and 2 on the other side. Window's locked open. You can see the push lock in. I can't lift it out. It's being held in. Unlock it, just grab the key. Push lock has popped out. You can slide the window. Now if we close it, push the lock in. Now it's locked closed. Easy as that, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.